it's your girl Ghivelle and welcome to my channel. Hi there, lovely. So for today's video, we are gonna be reviewing a cosmetic brand. It is Goddess.co or Goddess Cosmetics. So let's check what's inside a Goddess box package. There you have it, 'di ba? Ang daming laman ng isang Goddess box package. So, 'di ba, ang pretty, ang glam, ang gorgeous matangka, para siyang isang birthday gift. So, sa mga ladies dyan, you can order this sa Shopee. I will put the link below. And sa mga guys na nanonood, you can also try and give this as a gift to your girlfriends or mga nililigaw. So, guys, let's take a closer look na kung ano yung mga laman. So, first up is meron silang thank you card. Thank you for being our valued customer. And nandun din sa baba yung kanilang mga contact details and also all of their social media accounts. And then, nandyan din ang kanilang Shopee store. You can check it. Hindi lang sila for makeup or lip tint, mga ganun. They also have clothes tulad niyan, mga ganyan. So, check this store na sobrang legit and ang gaganda ng products nila. Check Goddess.co, social media accounts, and Shopee store. And also, meron pa silang ito super pretty, like ko tong kanilang butterfly necklace. I will try it on later para you can see how it looks when you put it on. So, ayan, Goddess.co, beautiful butterfly necklace. And also, meron silang pa scrunchie. I like how pink it is. Very pretty, very glam. Very mahilig kasi ako sa mga scrunchie, especially nung long hair pa ako. Pero ngayon, I don't think I can try it on. And meron silang pa pictures. Ang bongga. They got it from my IG. So, ayan, may paganyan sila. Ang bongga, diba? Ayan. Follow my social media accounts for more photoshoots. And then, of course, I got 3 lip products from them. Ito, Goddess.co gel-based lip tint. Meron din silang powder matte tint. And also, itong lip scrub. Ayan. So, I ordered this separately kasi super interested ako sa lip scrub. Yun lahat yung laman ng isang Goddess box package. And then, I ordered this separately. And then, let's try it on! Okay, I'm back. So, let's try this first. Ang kanilang Goddess.co Goddess Cosmetics Hair Wrap Gel-based tint. Let's try. Let's smell it first. Ang bango. Like, parang strawberry. Ang sakit. Okay, let's ayan guys, ang bongga ng Goddess Cosmetics Hair Wrap. Try lang natin yung next. I like this very much. Sobrang light lang niya to put. Parang I'm wearing nothing. Pero ang bango. I like it very much. So for the next tint naman, it is powder matte tint from Goddess.co Rayan. Let's try it now. Smell it first. Amoy like bubble gum, parang ganun. Ang sweet ng smell. I like. Try. OMG guys, I'm loving this shade super. Yung Rayan ng powder matte tint. I love it all. Parang siyang orangey brown. Ganyan. Tapos makaputi. So there you have it guys. 2 lip tints from Goddess.co. They use 100% natural ingredients and also it is cruelty-free, which is what I like most about them. They have never tested it on any animals and it is a local brand, so let's support it. Goddess.co Goddess Cosmetics. last but not the least, itong Goddess.co lip scrub, which is what I'm using right now. Ayan. So, ang mild lang niya scrub. I super like it. And ang bango niya. Siyempre, it is important to keep our lips healthy, lalo ngayong summer. Siyempre, nagdadry yung lips natin, ganyan. So, don't forget to drink a glass of water. And also, mag-Goddess.co lip scrub ka na. So, super thumbs up. So, there you have it, guys. We have unboxed the Goddess Box package. And if you want to try this too, check their Shopee link below. For those of you who have LYKA accounts, please PM me through my Facebook page to avail a discount for Goddess.co. So that's it for today, lovelies. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button to subscribe, and also don't forget to click the notification bell. See you in my next upload. Bye!